It's 6:15 and we have started from Soraypampa, and it's gonna be the most exhausting day today because it will be around 700 meters of elevation gain and around 21 kilometers of hike. So it will be a 3 to 4 hours of uphill and then another 3 to 4 hours of downhill. So basically yesterday many people, almost all the people even who were going through organized agencies, they backed out because of the landslide, and today some of the people backed out as well. But me and my friends, we are gonna try it. So let's see, it's gonna be safe and sound, but it sounds like a crazy plan, but we are gonna do it. So let's go. There you can see is the peak, Salkantay Peak, the clouds covering it a bit. Hey guys, so just now I had the sandwich with the view of Salkantay Peak that you can see in the background, and these were the sandwiches that I brought from the place where we stayed last night in Soraypampa, and it was 5 sols per sandwich. After the pass, it's all the way going down. This end you can see some people are going along with the agency here. They paid $600+ for this trip. So that you see there is a path all the way. It's a very beautiful valley, and on the right you can see some snow-cladded mountains, those peaks which are hidden inside the clouds. Maintain little distance between each other. What? Maintain little distance between each other, not too close. If the bag hits, then you will lose your balance. This here you see is the landslide area, and the local guides and the local people are clearing the path. You can see a huge landslide portion here. Ooh, fresh water. Before arriving Colpapampa, you'll be able to see many such places where you can buy some food, eat and drink. Just 10 minutes before Colpapampa, I found this amazing bridge. Not this one, just check out the drone, you will know which bridge I'm talking about. So I'm here at this hostel looking for a reservation, which I didn't do any at all. So I just walked in. They are checking if there is any availability, but this does look like a nice place with lots of cats and chickens running around. See, so many chicken, so many barbecue I can see already. This is the stay option, Colpapampa. So guys, the hotel people in Colpapampa, they are really nice, and the owner of the hostel would like to say something.
Amigos, buenos días. Mi nombre es Lisbeth. Aquí yo tengo un hospedaje, hostel El Muelle Capurichayo, y yo les invitaría a que ustedes vengan aquí a mi alojamiento. Les voy a atender con mucho cariño, con mucha paciencia, y los esperamos, amigos. Muchas gracias.
I suggest you must come to this hostel for sure. I will show you the name because it is quite difficult to remember the name, but I will show it to you and you guys can find it. So this is the room that we have got, and it is 50 sols per person. It is very cozy and nice, and in 50 sols you get breakfast and dinner included. So the stay in Colpapampa is amazing because here you get everything in just 50 sols. So bed, dinner, breakfast and hot water for shower, everything along with Wi-Fi.